Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9120A. This printer is multifunctional printer. You can scan, print, copy and fax with this printer. This printer and computer or laptop are connected together using USB cable. Check my video how we connected this printer together and laptop via USB cable. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to the computer. You need to make sure you connect the printer to Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with USB cable. Now in this case we connected this printer and the laptop via USB cable. Open up the printer and decide if you want to scan using glass scanner or ADF. So stick the document you want to scan on the glass scanner, close it. So this is HP Smart App. From HP Smart App you need to select scan. So select scan. From the settings, scroll down and select glass scanner. Document type as document, and also scroll down, select the color. Resolution is 300 dpi, the maximum is 1200 dpi. You can select preview. So now it's fetching the preview. This is the document preview. If you are happy with preview, then you select scan. So select scan. Now this is the document we scanned. If you want to delete this document, if you are not happy with it, then you select the three dots. It gives you an option for you to edit this document, replace or delete. Once you select the three dots, if you are not happy with it, but I'm happy with it, then the next is, if you want to scan the second document, open up the glass scanner. You can do this as many as you like, but now I want us to scan this using ADF. So stick the document you want to scan using ADF. This is ADF. Now the next thing you need to do, you need to select add. So the first one will scan this using glass scanner, then select add. Then select document feeder from the list and also select scan two-sided. Select document, scan the entire area. Output is colored. Resolution is 300 with ADF. Then you select scan. Here we go. So this is the first one. We scan the first one using glass scanner, then scan the second two via ADF. So this is the first and second document. So we have three documents here, it's 3 pages. Now, but this document, I want us to delete one. So select edit. So delete particular one. Are you sure you want to delete? Select delete. So now we have 2 pages document here. Now this document we scanned. First of all, you need to save this document. You look on the bottom part of the page, select save first, basic PDF, then select save. Then you decide where you want to save this document. You want to save this document in downloads. Then you select save. Your file has been saved. Close it. Now the next is for us to print this document out or share this document to somebody. First of all, we want to print this document out that we scan. So select print. Once you select print, then you wait for the printer to be ready. The printer is ready, HP OfficeJet Pro, the first on the list. You scroll down, make sure you select the correct printer. Orientation is portrait. Paper size is A4 paper. So select A4 paper and full page. Then one photo per page. Scroll down. Scaling. You can select shrink to fit or crop. Paper type is plain paper. The quality, you have high quality and normal. So we select normal. More settings. If you select more settings, it gives you option for you to select print on both sides. So select print on both sides, long edge. Then you select OK. Now the next is for you to select print. So now this document is printing. So this is the document we scanned, printed it out. We scanned this document using glass scanner and ADF. Now another thing is for you to share this document to somebody. If you want to share this document with somebody, you select share icon, select share. Select PDF, share. Then it gives you option for you to share this document to somebody via email, Microsoft, Outlook, phone link. I want to send this document to myself. So select. Then you type the message hi. Then you select send. And this document now is sending. Document sent. Then you close it. So if we go to the email address, if you go to the Outlook, then you wait for the document. Here we go. The document just arrived. PDF document just arrived. Open it up. Double click it. This is the document we scanned. Sent it to my inbox. Another thing I want to show you is if you go to your laptop settings and go to printers and scanners, you select HP OfficeJet. Then you select scanner settings. You can also select Get Scanner app. You install Windows Scanner. If you don't want to use HP Scanner, you can also download Windows Scanner to your computer and launch Windows Scanner. Then you wait for this printer to be ready. Here we go. From this list, then you scroll down and look for HP OfficeJet Pro 1920 is available. So you select on it. So you can scan using Windows Scanner, or you go to HP Smart app. Now to scan this document using Windows Scanner, for instance, you stick the document you want to scan on top of the ADF or glass scanner, depending on which one you want to use. So we want to scan using ADF, for instance. Stick the document to the ADF. From the source, scroll down and select feeder. Then scroll down and select PDF. Select show more. Then it gives you option for you to select resolution 300 dpi. Scan on both sides. Then you select scan on both sides is on. Then you select scan to. If you select scan to, then you need to select where you want to scan this document. The document need to be scanned to the documents. Then you select scan. Now this document is scanning. So after the scan, you select view for you to view the document. select view. This is the document we scanned, 2 pages. If you want to print this document out, you select Ctrl P. Then scroll down from the list and select print on both sides. For instance, print on both sides long edge. Then select more option. Select more settings. Paper type A4. So select fit to printable area. This is the document. Then you select quality 600 dpi. Then select print. So even if you scan the document, if it's big, you can also shrink it. Here we go. Nice. This is the document we scanned using ADF from Windows Scanner and printed it out, double-sided, colored. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.